Americo presents Maroon EcoPrep EPP. Americo's Maroon EcoPrep EPP floor pads are the perfect answer for environmentally friendly, chemical-free floor finish removal. These pads are available in both rectangular styles for oscillating machines and round for rotary or oscillating equipment. The Maroon EcoPrep floor pads will remove multiple layers of heavily damaged floor coatings without the use of harsh chemicals. For either wet or dry applications, it is important to dust mop floors to remove large debris before proceeding with stripping. Next, place a red buff or other backer pad on the equipment. Then place the Maroon EcoPrep on the backer pad. For dry applications, there's no need for water or harsh cleaning chemicals. Simply use the pad dry. Move the machine slowly over the work area until all the surface finish has been removed. This may take more than one pass depending on the condition of the floor. After you have completely removed the finish, you'll need to pick up the residue with a dry vac. Next, mop the floor or use an auto scrubber to remove excess floor finish residue. Once the floor is completely dry, new finish may be applied. For wet applications, we recommend plain water or a neutral cleaner. Follow the same initial procedures as in the dry method. Slowly move the equipment over the floor until the surface finish has been removed. And again, this may take more than one pass depending on the condition of the floor. Americo's Maroon EcoPrep floor pad with its micro-abrasive particles will maintain an aggressive cut for superior performance throughout this process. With the floor finish stripped and the residue removed, the floor is now ready to be refinished. Make sure the floor's surface is completely dry before applying new finish. When using a rotary machine, either standard electric or an auto scrubber, the same procedures are used. Maroon EcoPrep floor pads are also ideal for use on wood floors for surface preparation and floor finish removal.